Okay, let's talk about making money using Pinterest. So, as you can see, this is a business account, and as I said earlier, the first thing you have to make sure if you're using Pinterest for um, things related with money, you have to convert your account to a business account. So, after you convert to your whatever to your business account, there are many ways in which you can use Pinterest to make money, and I'm going to focus on three. Number one is affiliate marketing. So earlier I had shown you how to use Pinterest for affiliate marketing. So as I said, come here, create pin, and immediately you go to save from websites, and you're going to choose whatever product you want to promote from whichever site you're using for Pinterest. Come and click enter, and then you're going to look for the image that matches the link, the image that matches whatever you're going to find at the end of the link. It was about Marvel Brothers, right? So you're going to select them and add 4 pins. Once you do that, you're going to and kindly, because of professional issues and to look professional and all, you need to make sure your image quality is great, especially if it concerns your business, not just affiliate marketing, if you get what I mean. So once you're done, you maybe create the board in which the product you're advertising is, and you publish. It's that simple. Number two, you can use Pinterest for your business purposes. What do I mean? Maybe you have an Etsy shop or some shop somewhere in whichever platform you're using, and maybe you would like to generate more traffic. Depending on your niche, maybe your traffic could come from Pinterest. So what you want to do is come to the specific product, maybe from Etsy, and on Etsy it's easy. So you just click save, and then you're going to choose on which board, and once you're done, you're going to automatically start generating traffic depending on the niche and what audience you're targeting. Number three, you can use Pinterest. Some people use Pinterest to generate more traffic to their YouTube channels, but I don't know how effective that is. But I have seen many people do that, and some just to promote their skills and all. And among other ways, uh, I was just going to focus on those three. So number one, you can use Pinterest for affiliate marketing. Number two, you can use Pinterest to promote your products, whether digital or physical. You can use that. And finally, you can use Pinterest for for promoting your videos on YouTube or whatever platform you decide to use. So as you can see, some people even promote their freelancing businesses, their portfolios. As you can see, behind is a portfolio from artists or whatever. Even you can use Pinterest to promote your freelancing work. So maybe if you work on Fiverr and Upwork, Pinterest can also be a way to generate traffic. And depending on how creative you are, you can use Pinterest in lots of ways. Yeah, and basically that's how you use Pinterest to make money. Thank you. Have a nice time.